Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a close look at the Dirt Devil 16-volt deep clean cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. This lightweight powerhouse promises to tackle everything from pet hair to car seats, all while offering an extended runtime thanks to its rechargeable lithium battery. Let's explore how this compact vacuum stacks up against the competition and whether it delivers on its claims. The Dirt Devil 16-volt deep clean cordless handheld vacuum cleaner is built with convenience in mind, offering portability without sacrificing suction power. At the heart of this device is its 16-volt motor, which ensures strong suction to tackle dirt, debris, and pet hair on various surfaces. Whether you're cleaning floors, upholstery, or even car interiors, the motorized pet brush roll is a key feature. It helps effortlessly lift pet hair and dirt, making it an essential tool for households with furry friends. The vacuum comes with a crevice tool as well, designed to handle hard-to-reach areas, like between couch cushions or along baseboards. With a weight of just 3 pounds, it's light enough for anyone to handle, which is great for extended cleaning sessions without tiring out your arm. One of the standout features of this model is its rechargeable lithium battery. It offers extended runtime, meaning you can clean larger areas or multiple rooms without needing to pause for a recharge. Plus, the easy empty dirt cup makes the whole process smoother. No more struggling with bags or awkward mechanisms. Just remove the dirt cup, dump the debris, and you're ready for the next task. When it comes to real-world use, the Dirt Devil excels in several key areas. On hard floors, it picks up dirt, dust, and crumbs with ease, and the suction power remains steady throughout its runtime. Carpeted areas, especially those with embedded pet hair, are tackled effectively, thanks to the motorized brush. However, one area where it might fall short is with larger debris or deeply embedded dirt in thick carpets, where more powerful vacuums would shine. That said, for light daily cleaning or quick touch-ups, the Dirt Devil performs admirably. The included attachments are another strong point. The crevice tool does its job in tight spots, and the motorized pet brush makes dealing with pet hair a breeze. However, some users might find the lack of a more advanced multi-surface brush limiting, particularly when moving between carpeted and hard floor areas. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. The Dirt Devil is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and offers solid suction on a variety of surfaces. It's a perfect choice for smaller messes and spot cleaning around, especially in homes with pets. The easy empty dirt cup and long-lasting battery are definite advantages for those who want to minimize downtime and maintain cleaning efficiency. On the downside, its performance on deep pile carpets and larger debris could leave some users wanting more. It might also struggle to maintain peak suction as the battery power decreases, especially in higher settings. The build quality feels solid, but it's important to note that this vacuum isn't designed for heavy-duty cleaning in larger spaces. In terms of value for money, the Dirt Devil 16-volt deep clean cordless handheld vacuum positions itself as a great option for those who need a quick, lightweight cleaning solution, particularly for homes with pets or small spaces. The rechargeable battery, long runtime, and versatile attachments add substantial value for its price, especially when compared to similarly priced handheld vacuums. While it doesn't quite compete with the more powerful models in the same price range for deep carpet cleaning, it still offers a great balance of performance and convenience. Comparing it to similar handheld vacuums, such as the Black & Decker Dustbuster or the Shark Rocket, the Dirt Devil stands out for its motorized pet brush and affordable price point. The Black & Decker model might offer slightly longer battery life, but lacks the same pet-specific features. On the other hand, the Shark Rocket provides superior suction power, but comes at a higher price, which might be overkill for users just looking for a quick clean. Build quality is generally sturdy, though the plastics used feel a bit lightweight. The brush roll is designed to pick up pet hair effectively, but maintenance is necessary to prevent tangling. Fortunately, the Dirt Devil's easy empty dirt cup and filter are simple to clean, requiring minimal effort. Long-term reliability seems solid, though you'll want to be mindful of the battery's performance over time. Rechargeable batteries tend to degrade after extensive use, though Dirt Devil's reputation for durability holds up well in this category. When it comes to customer support, Dirt Devil has a strong track record, though you may not need it unless there are issues with the battery or brush roll over time. If you encounter any problems, their customer service is responsive and efficient in handling concerns, making the whole experience smoother for the user. The Dirt Devil 16-volt deep clean cordless handheld vacuum cleaner is perfect for those who need a lightweight, portable vacuum that can handle quick cleanups and pet hair. It's not a heavy-duty, all-surface vacuum, but for most homes and day-to-day messes, it gets the job done. For pet owners and people with small spaces, it's an easy-to-use, versatile tool that makes cleaning faster and more efficient. However, if you're looking for something that can handle larger, more stubborn messes or deep carpet cleaning, you might want to explore alternatives in the same price range that offer more powerful suction. Thanks for watching today's review. If you're considering the Dirt Devil 16 volts, be sure to check the comments box for more details on where to grab it. Have any questions or personal experiences with this vacuum? Let us know in the comments. Till next time, happy cleaning with Reviews Inside TV.